Hello, Sue. We're back now for the second step of the process, which is exporting all these files as JPEGs in 1080p format. So, um, to get started, we just simply go back to our grid view, and this can be done by pressing G, and we're going to turn off our meta information because now we want all our pictures to appear. And right now I have some real estate cleaning happening where your screen may have stuff on the side, and I turn it off like this information. Then auto hide. Okay, come here. Or so. To bring them back, if they're missing, hit tab, and tab toggles them back and forth. So now I have all my pictures. What I gotta do is do a select all, which is on your machine, a control A, and we have all the pictures selected. Now, we want to export these pictures. To export these pictures, there's a number like anything in software, there's a number of ways of doing things. The easiest is just go down to the export button and press it. And we get this nice confusing box. So let's see if I can make this bigger. So just clicking on the side like any Windows or Mac application, you can enlarge things. So a couple of things to note here. So what we're going to do is export them to the hard drive. So there's a number of settings here. So I'm going to select hard drive. Here, same original. In this case, I choose folders, later use. I gotta do same folders as the original. Better yet, I just gotta choose a folder later. So what this basically would do is prompt me where to add the pictures when I hit the export button. I could choose a specific directory and choose the location right now. Yeah, let's use this method. So I'm going to select specific folder, choose, and now I'm going to go to the location where my slideshow is. In this case, it opened up to the exact location where my catalog is, and I'm going to create a new directory because I want all these pictures to be saved in that location. I don't want to cross-populate all in these directories. In class, he showed us putting our original photos, our raw photos, or our original photos in a directory called raw. Then he had all the subdirectories in there. In this case, I'm just going to keep things this way, and I'm just going to do a new folder and call these my slideshow JPEG. Okay. And we created them. And we choose. So now, with that being selected, we have this showing up. If you're planning to create your slideshow from within Lightroom, what we need to do is add the exported pictures back into this catalog we're working in. So I select this, add to this. I don't want to rename them. I want to keep the original names. We're having JPEG, and we want to make it 100% best quality as possible. As Trevor noted, that we have these different format color spaces is used, there's not too many stuff that actually does Pro Photo RGB, which you know from your color management course. I'm just going to select Adobe RGB, that's what I shoot in. And now this is, we want to control the size of our images. So I want my longish edge set, and I want this set to 1080 and that's in pixels. Resolution 72 dots per inch. This could be 72 or 96. At one time it was 72, now it's 96. Either or would do. I usually do sharpening. Trevor recommend low. Meta information. This is the one part that burnt me during the last class. I turned this off and I wasn't exporting my meta information. And I think that's about it. We could do other things like export folder actions, etc. In this case, we're going to keep it simple. So once again, we have our directory we're sending it to. We're making it a subdirectory in where our catalog is. We assure add to this catalog is on. We assure we Jpeg, color space, our Adobe RGB, 100%, long edge, 1080 pixels, 96 screen resolution. In this, we have low select, etc. Once we're ready, we hit export. So while the export the export operation is happening if you see this little status thing bar appearing. And it's very slow. And there my new directory is added. I have one picture in it. And we slowly let it go. Voila, we're back. Now once we're done, we have our pictures exported out. In this case I had 29 pictures here, and now I have 29 JPEG pictures. You would know, make this bigger. We could tell here's our file size. Now we know if we want to see it in the folder, we can go to the folder in library, and it's showing there. Let's see, is there any other options? On the Mac, that the Finder is the Windows Explorer, so I can actually go to the location in the Explorer where that file is. In this case, I have it selected there. And that's it.